Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix background removal errors in PhotoRoom. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with the account. As background removal errors usually happens when the subject edges look rough, parts of the subject disappear, or unwanted background remains. So simply tap on the content icon given at the bottom right corner where it shows you the list of all the prior edited images. You can just simply tap on the image that faced the issue. As you select it, it opens in the editor. Within the editor, simply tap on layers icon, then tap graphics. Here you will further get options like replace, edit cutout, crop and retouch. Simply tap edit cutout. You can now erase to remove the leftover backgrounds, as well as use restore to bring back the missing areas if you want. Please make sure to zoom in for better precision, especially in the edges. Once done, simply tap done. But sometimes the issue look worse because of the background, so tap background icon. Within it, you can choose a solid background color or a clean image to make the cutout look more natural. Once adjusting the background, simply tap done. So if you also want to make the subject blend better, you can simply tap shadows icon, then make sure to choose soft and then apply the shadow. This helps to hide small cutout imperfections. So after that, tap done. But if the problem still appears, you can simply try another clear photo with better lighting and contrast. Photos with blurry edges or light color can confuse background removal. Tap save and choose save to camera roll if it is not, and simply click close design where it will successfully download the image in your gallery. And that's how you can simply fix the background removal errors in PhotoRoom. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.